another opportunity to show you some of the unique application potentials for our high-density secure set spray foam. We were contacted by a customer that said, hey, I have a problem with a void under a sidewalk on the side of a home. So this is what happened. The sidewalk was laid. Obviously there was fill underneath, and it was butted up against this stack block wall, but previously this gap wasn't sealed. So the rainwater came down, flowed across the concrete, dropped into the gap, and started to wash out all the fill underneath the sidewalk. So this has been going on for a while, obviously, and then the son-in-law of the woman who owns the house was walking on the edge of the concrete, and he noticed that it was flexing a little. And so upon investigation, digging out the leading edge of the sidewalk, he found that there was a fairly significant void under this sidewalk. So they asked us if we would come out and take a look at this. So with the use of a stethoscope, a hammer, and a piece of chalk, just like I've done, it's very easy to determine exactly where the void is. Also, with a high-powered flashlight, we are actually able to visually look the entire distance of this void. Now, it's not very wide. It's about 2 feet wide, about 5 to 6 inches deep, but it's 22 feet long. It goes from this joint all the way to the leading edge of the sidewalk. The unique question is, how do you get foam, high-density structural foam, 22 feet under a sidewalk? Obviously, you don't want to break it out and refill the soil and then relay the concrete. But what we can do with CPVC tubes, we are going to attach them to the end of the static mixer, insert the probe, probably to within about 8 inches of the back of the hole, and then slowly, with the product continually coming out, we are going to withdraw this in stages until we know that the foam has filled all these areas. Now remember, it comes out at a specific volume, and then it expands twice to 2.5 times that volume. So it will move laterally and horizontally, filling the void as we continue to extract this tube. Okay, now the fun begins. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the kit. We're going to get out the hoses and get everything ready. But before we attach the static mixer to the extension tubes, we're going to run that tube all the way to the end of the void. Very easy to set up, like you've seen before. Each kit comes with a multiple pack of mixing nozzles. We're going to use the conical one. So we're going to attach this first because we're going to do a test shot just before we attach the long extension tube. But we'll do that in just a second. First task is to feed that tube all the way to the end of the void. We're basically back as far as we're going to go. So next thing is for us to attach the static mixer, and we're just going to let as much foam as we can flow into that back void. Before we start injecting the foam, I'm going to set this nozzle into the pipe, give the edge of the pipe a little cushion here. We've attached the nozzle to the long extension tube, and before we start injecting the foam, we always do a test shot, make sure everything is working properly. Remember, this has a safety on it, so you release the safety. So we've got good pressure, good mix. Now what we're going to do is we're going to redo the safety. We're going to remove this nozzle, and then we're going to attach it to the extension. We are ready to go. Let's do this. I can hear good flow going through the extension tube. Oh, I see foam expanding. You can hear it. It's going good. It's going good. Another 6. Another 6. Perfect. How far is that joint? Good. Okay, let's stop for now. We're gonna change the nozzles because we're pushing this through over 20 feet of tubing. So we have another 10-foot section over there. We're gonna bring it in, and then we'll have much more control, and it won't take as much pressure to get the product through the line. Well, we're finished. What a great project this is. You can see the end result here, how big the void was. We did 22 feet of sidewalk, and we used about 1.5 kits, about 15 cubic feet of high density foam. So we started at about 10:30. Right now it's about 12:15. So about an hour and 45 minutes to do this whole project. Remember, this is a great do-it-yourself project. Homeowner capable. You don't have to have a contractor come in, possibly even break up the concrete, refill it, reset the concrete. This foam will support 10,080 pounds per square foot. So anything that they want to put on this concrete sidewalk is going to be well supported. So that's the conclusion for another great project with Secure Set. And again, sidewalks, pool decks, carports, driveways. It's a perfect application. Great day, great job. Thank you very much.